Hey guys, it's me, Amaya, and today I am doing another one of my read alouds. This book is called Hiccups for Elephant, originally by James Peller, illustrated by Hans Willem. It was nap time. All the animals were fast asleep. Except for Elephant. He had the hiccups. Hiccup! Chimp woke up. So it looks like Chip's the monkey in this book. I can cure those hiccups, Chip said. Stand on your head and eat a banana. Elephant gave it a try. Kaboom! It only made him feel dizzy. Like, super dizzy. Lion woke up. Lion doesn't seem too happy about this, does he? Hopefully he doesn't get too upset. I can cure those hiccups, Lion said. Drink lots of water very, very fast. Elephant gave it a try. He drank and drank and drank and drank. Hiccup! Zebra woke up. Zebra looks kind of shocked that Hiccup, like, oh my gosh, what's that noise? It's just Elephant with the hiccups. I can cure those hiccups, Zebra said. Hold your breath and count to 10 backwards. Elephant gave it a try. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mouse woke up. Mouse, just like Lion is, he doesn't seem happy. What's all that noise? Mouse asked. I'm trying to sleep. Poor Elephant got the hiccups, Chip explained. Mouse looked Elephant in the eye. Boom! He shouted. Everyone waited and waited, but there were no more hiccups. Works every time, Mouse said, and all the animals fell back to sleep. Except for Elephant. Achoo! Oh no, now Elephant has got the sneezes instead of the hiccups. Well, that is it for this book. I really enjoyed this book. I hope you enjoy it too. If you enjoyed this video, leave a big thumbs up. If you want me to do more on and off read alouds, I really want to do more of these. And subscribe to Amaya's Nighttime, because of course, we do lots of fun stuff on this channel, and if you haven't watched some of my videos, I think you should check it out, because they're amazing, like always. And I will see you next time. Goodbye!